welcome back to dptutorials. In this video, let us learn how to round off task durations in Microsoft Project. In this schedule, you can see my durations are in fractions and Microsoft Project is not having any direct feature to round off these figures. To do this, follow these simple steps. We need to create custom field. So go to Format tab and click on Custom Fields. Select the text one and click on Rename and give a name like Roundedoff Duration. Then in the Custom Attributes section, click on Formula and enter the formula as round, open the parenthesis, in the box brackets type duration, oblique, in the box brackets, minutes per day, close the parenthesis, ampersand, in the inverted quotes, type days. Okay, this will give us the rounded off days. Click OK. Now, let us see if this is done or not. Just beside the duration column, right-click on Start Column and select Insert Column. Scroll down to find the newly created field Roundedoff Duration and add that field. You can see that all the durations are rounded off in this new column. But if you carefully observe, column's summary fields are still blank. So to resolve this, again go to the Custom Fields option and find the section called Calculation for Task and Group Summary Rows. You need to select the option Use Formula. Then all your summary fields will also be calculated based on this formula. Click OK and see that the summary durations are also rounded off now. In addition to this, if you want to make the look of this new column exactly same as that of duration column, just right click on Rounded Off Duration column and click on Field Settings. And you can align the title to center and align data to left. Now you can see that both the columns are identical. Please remember that this new column is a calculated field. So you can't enter manually any field unlike in the durations column. So now you can use this rounded off column in all kinds of reports whenever you're publishing to make it more appealing. And one more important point is that if you want to use this custom field in all of your projects, you need to copy this from this project to the entire project library. Let's do this now. Click on File. In the Info tab, click on Organizer. Click on Fields tab. Select the Rounded Off Duration field in the right side, which is our current project, and click on Copy to make a copy into the global project template. Click Close, and now you can use this custom field in all of your projects. So friends, this is all about how to round off task durations in Microsoft Project. I hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. If yes, please give me a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe dptutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.